Hi everyone, welcome to Diana's Table. Today I want to share with you my recipe for soy sauce pasta. It's our favorite menu for weekend lunch and I hope you'll try it at home. So let's get started. First, cook pasta according to the package instructions. I usually cook them for only about 5 minutes to keep the pasta al dente. Cut the washed green beans into half. You can replace green beans with asparagus or celery or even garlic stems. Slice about 2 cloves of garlic and then cut the bacon into bite-sized pieces. Here I'm using smoked bacon. In a heated pan, first add the bacon. No oil is necessary. Cook for a minute, then add the garlic. And then cook the garlic in bacon fat only. Add the green beans and then drizzle a tablespoon of olive oil before adding the mushrooms. You can use different types of mushrooms, including shiitake, oyster, and button mushrooms. But here I'm using what they're called beach mushrooms or 10-stranded mushrooms. No salt is necessary, only some fresh pepper to taste. Add the pre-cooked pasta and then a generous serving of butter. I'm using unsalted butter for this. Then add some low-sodium soy sauce. Butter and soy sauce. What more can you ask? Pasta water will help the seasoning to blend well with the pasta. Looks delicious, doesn't it? Sprinkle grated Parmesan cheese before serving. So let me try this soy sauce pasta. Well, you can't go wrong with soy sauce and butter and bacon. Happy cooking and happy eating!